Phil, what's going on with this Jeep here?
I'm just laying down some tape. Let me tell you in a second.
All right, sounds good. Hey, my name is Brian and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. So at Dupli-Color, we're all about providing you products so you can restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage. Now we have this Jeep here in the garage. Phil, what's up with the tape?
So I did a closer look at this vehicle and we have a lot of door dings, scratches, shopping carts, just normal wear and tear on the paint.
Yeah, I mean, this is something that people deal with each and every day when they drive their cars, right? Door dings, scratches, we all get them. So looks like it really needs some touch-up paint.
Yeah, perfect candidate.
Right, now we have a product exactly for this job. It's our Scratch Fix all-in-one. Here at Dupli-Color, we work directly with the OE manufacturer to get that approved color match, which goes with the color code on the vehicle. So the first step we'll do is we'll get this marked off completely, right? We'll get the color code off of the identification sticker. We'll get that matched up with the correct color of paint and get this thing all touched up.
Hey Brian, let's take a closer look at this one.
Yeah, this one is really bad. I mean, you can see right here how bad that chip is. And it's actually all the way down to the metal.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, it's deep. So a couple things here. Other than making your vehicle look better because of this eyesore right here, considering that chip is down to the bare metal, this can basically form into a much larger issue. Moisture, salt can get in there and really start to, make that metal rust, and it'll start to bubble up pretty bad. So you want to address that, get that sealed up and protected, and also looking good as well. Now there is a slight dent here as well. The owner of this vehicle is not going to take care of that dent immediately, but we are going to get that sealed up so that rust doesn't form and turn into a much larger job. Now before we get paint on this Jeep, we have to find out exactly what color this is. Now each color has its own color code, and that color code is located on the vehicle identification sticker. Now in the case of this Jeep, it's located on the driver's side door jamb. Might be located in another area of your vehicle, so you have to do a little bit of research to find it, or you can reference our color selector guide. We do have some instructions in the beginning of this. So once you get that color code, now this color code is PXJ. Now once you have that code, head to your local auto parts store. You can look it up in our color selector guide to find your exact color that you need, or you can speak to the representative there at the counter. Before applying the color match paint, we cleaned out each chip using the abrasive prep tip. We then clean the surface using our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to remove any contaminants. Always make sure to shake the tube for a few minutes because unmixed paint can cause a difference in the overall color match. There are two ways to touch up chips and scratches: the pen tip for fine scratches and the brush for larger chips. In this case, we are using the brush. Apply 1 to 2 coats of color or the necessary amount needed based on the chip you are fixing, and allow 5 minutes between each coat. Make sure to wipe off any excess paint from the brush onto the rim of the tube to allow for smooth application. The Dupli-Color Scratch Fix all-in-one touch-up tool features an abrasive prep tip for cleaning out any dirt or rust, and the exact color match paint with clear coat. This all-inclusive touch-up tool is the first of its kind to combine prep, paint, and clear coat in a single package to help get your vehicle looking factory fresh. The final step is applying the clear coat found on the bottom of the touch-up tube. Be sure to allow the color coat to dry for 30 minutes before applying the clear coat. The clear coat is essential and should not be skipped as it aids in the overall color match and seals the paint for added protection from the elements. Phil, these chips came out awesome.
Yeah, this Scratch Fix color matches perfectly.
Yeah, I mean, even though there are some dents here, the good news is that was chipped down to the bare metal, so it's sealed up from any future rust forming. So if the owner decides to go further and get these dents fixed, at least we're all sealed up, and Phil went ahead and touched up all the other chips and nicks throughout the Jeep, and it took you, what, under an hour?
Yeah, max an hour.
Okay, well hey, something very simple to do and something that you can accomplish in your garage and be the boss of your own paint project. Now, if you're looking to touch up your vehicle or you have other projects, make sure you check out products from Dupli-Color at duplicolor.com.